In this video, I want to challenge myself and I will ask ChatGPT to roast me. And I will try to just provide some information to just defend myself. So it might be fun. Let's see how it goes. I'm also curious. Hello ChatGPT. I want to just do a challenge with you. I want you to roast me in English. And don't be easy on me. And based on what you say, I will also try to defend myself. So I want you to just start with a point, and then I will share my point, and then we will continue it like a conversation. If you are ready, let's start.
All right, challenge accepted. Let's see how you handle this. You know, your sense of humor is so dry, it makes the Sahara Desert look like a water park. How's that for a start?
That was very tough. But I think I have a very good sense of humor because when I share it with the people who know my sense of humor, they enjoy it. So I trust myself and I love my sense of humor. And I always try to make it better.
That's a good defense, but let's keep going. You know, your multitasking skills are so legendary that you can simultaneously forget what you were doing in 3 different places at once. How's that?
That was good. You are right. Sometimes I need to do a lot of tasks at the same time. And it's really difficult to just keep track of them. And sometimes I get lost. But I always try to use different techniques, different strategies to just make myself focus on one task at a time. In the past, I thought multitasking would be just much better and it would be possible with full concentration. But later I learned that if I focus on one task at a time, I would be more efficient. That's why now, although people may think I'm multitasking, I try to focus on one task at a time and I prioritize my tasks.
That's a great approach, and it shows you're adaptable and always striving to improve. Now let me try another angle. Your cooking skills are so unique that every meal you make could be considered an avant-garde culinary experiment. How's that for a roast?
All right. To be honest, my cooking skills are really good, and I try to also watch a lot of cooking programs. For example, MasterChef Turkey, MasterChef US, MasterChef Canada, and some other countries, and also famous chefs. So I enjoy it. And sometimes, yeah, some people may think that I don't cook well, but I believe in myself and I enjoy it. If I have time, I definitely cook and I will try to cook healthy food for myself and people around me.
That's fantastic. It's clear you put a lot of passion into your cooking. Now, let's see how you handle this. Your fashion sense is so cutting edge that even mannequins look at you and say, that's bold. How about that?
All right, I don't have anything to say for that. This is the area that I need to work on because when it comes to fashion, I haven't just focused on it in my life in the past, and gradually I try to just pay attention to that part. So because I've seen people around me and my focus was something completely different. But now I see that it is something that I can improve myself. So it is one of my plans to accomplish.
That's a great mindset to have. It's all about continuous improvement and being open to new experiences. You're doing fantastic, and it's clear you're always striving to be the best version of yourself. Keep it up.
Thank you, I loved it. I'm ready for your next challenge.
All right, here's the next one. Your time management skills are so advanced that you could probably make a sloth look punctual. How do you like that one?
All right, to be honest with time management, also, I'm really good. I'm really good at it. Because I write down, for example, the things that I want to do, and I give also time slots for them. I don't want to be just a perfectionist because I've tried, it didn't work for me. But I try to write down. It is magical. I do mean it. And after that, I try to just finish them. And I think my time management is good. It's getting better and better.
That's a solid way to handle time management. It sounds like you've got a great system in place. You're definitely showing that you can take on challenges and turn them into strengths. Keep up the great work.
Thank you. Be harsh on me. I'm ready for the next one.
All right, let's turn up the heat on this one. Your singing skills are so unique that even your shower head might be considering early retirement. How's that for harsh?
You are absolutely right. I am really bad at it. But to tell the truth, I've also thought about working on my voice. It's really weird, but I've thought about it because I remember once, I think it was Ed Sheeran, that he played one of his first videos. He recorded himself. It was really bad, and after that he worked on himself and he could just develop his voice. So I said, why not me? So I don't want to just compare myself to other people, but I want to just have a better voice. So it might be one of my plans in the future, but I'm not sure. But you are right about it. Be harsher on me.
It's great that you're considering working on your voice. Let's see if this one lands. Your dance moves are so legendary that even your shadow might be filing for a restraining order. How about that?
That was awesome. You got me. Yes, this is one of my weaknesses. I can't dance. And I haven't thought about it, but yes, you're right. No comment on this.
It's all in good fun. Remember, we all have our strengths and areas to improve. You're doing great, and it's awesome that you're always looking to grow and develop. Keep embracing those challenges.
Thank you, I loved it. That was a lovely conversation.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. If you ever want to do this again, or chat about anything else, just let me know.
Sure, thank you. See you.
You're welcome. Take care and see you next time.
That was lovely. I didn't expect that, but it went well. So I wanted to have something fun in this video. If you want me to practice or to do anything else with ChatGPT, write in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to just do some of them. It would be fun for me as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do to just watch my future videos and don't miss anything in the future. Share this video with your friends and like this video. Your support means a lot to me. Hope to see you next time.